Hook. While everyone talks about ChatGPT, there's another AI tool that professionals, writers, and serious creators are quietly switching to in 2026. It's called Claude AI, and today, I'm showing you exactly how to use it from scratch. Introduction. Claude is made by Anthropic and has quickly become the preferred AI tool for anyone who needs high-quality, thoughtful output. It's particularly popular among writers, analysts, business professionals, and anyone who needs AI that can handle complex, nuanced tasks with precision. Getting started. Go to Claude AI and create a free account using your Google account or email. The free plan gives you access to Claude's core capabilities, which are genuinely impressive. The paid plan at $20 per month unlocks Claude's most powerful model and higher usage limits. Once you're logged in, you'll see a simple chat interface similar to ChatGPT. Best use cases. Claude excels at long-form writing, including articles, reports, scripts, and essays. It's exceptional at analysis. Give it a document or data set and ask it to analyze and summarize. It's great for coding assistance and explaining complex technical concepts in simple terms. It's also the best AI for brainstorming and creative work because its responses feel more human and less robotic than other AI tools. Claude versus ChatGPT. Claude produces higher quality writing with more nuance and better structure. ChatGPT is more versatile with image generation and web browsing. Claude is better at following complex multi-step instructions. ChatGPT has a larger ecosystem of plugins and integrations. For pure writing and analysis quality, Claude wins. For all-in-one versatility, ChatGPT wins. Pro tips. Use Claude for your most important writing tasks where quality really matters. Give Claude detailed context about what you need. The more information you provide, the better the output. Ask Claude to write in a specific tone or style to match your brand voice. Use Claude to edit and improve content you've already written for a quick quality upgrade. Closing. Claude AI is one of the most underrated tools available in 2026, and once you try it for serious writing, you'll understand why so many professionals prefer it. Start with the free plan at Claude AI today and test it on your next writing project. Subscribe for weekly AI tool tutorials and drop a comment telling me what you're going to use Claude for first.